Hello, Amazing All-Stars. It's time for our number corner. Wow, if you look at the screen, we have a brand new number corner area. We have a new calendar for Wednesday, December 1st. Let's see what's on our calendar. I wonder if will it have any of the things we've seen on our other calendars, or will it be different? Let's find out. Might have pumpkins, apples, fractions. I wonder. Here we go. Whoa, wait a minute. This is a jar of peanut butter. A jar of peanut butter. What does that have to do with math? I know you're wondering, All-Stars. And the answer is here. This month, for our calendar grid, we're going to focus on shapes, specifically 3D shapes. And you may say, Mrs. Graham, what's a 3D shape? Well, today I'm going to introduce 4 3D shapes to you as part of our number corner. The first is a cylinder. If you look at the cylinder that is on the screen, we have a flat top on a cylinder and a flat bottom, but the sides are completely curved. They are not flat. That's a cylinder. Can you say cylinder? Next, we have a rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. If you look at the rectangular prism, all sides of the rectangular prism, the bottom, the top, and every side on the outside is a rectangle. It is a rectangle, and it is called rectangular prism. Can you say that? Very good. Our next shape we have is a sphere. Sphere. You may say a sphere looks like a ball. It's completely round. There are no sides and there are no flat surfaces on a sphere. It's all curved, all round. Sphere. Can you say sphere? Remember that PH makes that F sound. So it sounds like SF together. Sphere. Sphere. And finally, we have a cube. A cube is almost like a rectangular prism. Every side of a cube is a square. It is a square. Every side of the cube is a square. Now, if we're focusing on these shapes, I want you to be my detectives. I know you can do this detective work. Look at this jar of peanut butter and think about what we just learned and discussed with these 3D shapes. Which one of these 3D shapes that we just talked about would it be? Would it be the cylinder, the rectangular prism, the sphere, or the cube? I'll go back through those again. We have our cube, sphere, rectangular prism, and cylinder. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I think it looks like a cylinder. What do you think? So if that's what we're focusing on, then we're going to go back up to our calendar grid, and we are going to put jar of peanut butter in this area for a cylinder, because that's what the shape is that we just saw. A jar of peanut butter. in each day, we're going to focus on what types of 3D shapes are we seeing in our number corner area with our calendar. Great job. Now, let's focus on the days in school, dears. Whoa, we are really growing. So far we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And today we're going to add on another. We're going to add on another one, which now makes 61 days that we have been together. So that would be 60 plus 1. I'm going to do this one, 55 plus 5 plus 1. We'll add on, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1. We'll change this to 62 minus 1, which will give us 61. And we'll add another number here, 63 minus 2, which would give us our days. Let me go up to the top here and change that. That is now going to be 61. And we're going to add 61 as a number word. Lots going on here. Lots and lots of great things going on here. So 61 there. And we are going to change our information here. And we'll make it 60 plus 1. So if you take a moment and look at this, these are all different ways to make the number 61. Lots of great information. Dears, we've done a lot with our number corner this day. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to practice counting. Start at the number 40 and see if you can count all the way up to the number 70 and then count backwards from the number 70 to the number 40. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Have a great day.